So welcome to episode 2 on the microbit. So episode 2 is all about using the buttons. So we've got two buttons on the front, we've got A and B. So we've got A here and B here. So what we're going to do is create a simple program that changes the display based on what button is pressed on the microbit. So to start off with, we need to import the library for the microbit again. So it's just from microbit import, and then we're going to use line 3, we're going to use the while loop. So while loop will just keep looping until it becomes false. At the moment we don't have anything that's false, so we'll just keep looping while we press the buttons. So then comes line 4. As you can see, it's indented by a space or a tab. So if button _A is pressed, that's going to check whether the A button is pressed, and if it is, we're then display.show Image.YES. So something to keep in mind, once again, this must be 4 spaces or a tab. So if I press the A button, we get a tick. If I just reset actually, so if I press the A button, we get a tick, and then at line 6 we've got if button _B is pressed, display.show Image.NO, which is just a cross. So there's lots of different images you can have displayed on the microbit. So if I just show you, you've got things like happy, and you've got things like sad. So if we just reflash it, and then we'll have a look at how that looks as well. So there's a whole range of different images you can use, and I'll leave those in the comments as well to save you having to go and search for them as well. So now if I press the A button, we get a happy face. We press the B button and we get a sad face. So just a simple introduction on using those A and B buttons, and say what we can do in later episodes is we'll look at how we can incorporate those into a more advanced program to make a simple game. Hope that's been useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe,